In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best methods that you can use to get some interesting results using Adsterra platform. Guys, here you can see I have got some interesting results with Adsterra network. I have used multiple methods to get this result. I'm going to share with you one of those methods. You can watch this full video. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You can get amazing results from Adsterra network. Before we start, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you can go on Adsterra network. Guys, this is a best network. Here you can see this network have 50,000 partners. Here you can see conversions per year. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your email address. You can type your login ID. You can type your anything. It should be unique. You can type your first name, last name. You can type your password. You can select your messenger type. Like you can select your Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Now you can type your messenger ID. You can select here your country. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on sign up button. Guys, here you can see you can monetize your website, in-app, or social media traffic like Facebook, TikTok. Here you can see what you get. You can get high CPM rates, regular payouts, browser-friendly ads, and a partner care program. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on a Smart Links button. Here you can see you can create a smart link. You can add the link anywhere. Here you can see you can paste it in any social media post or website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, or you can add the link anywhere. You can simply click on add a smart link button. You can select your traffic type. Now you can click on add button. Now you need to wait at least 3 minutes. After that you can refresh the page. Now you can scroll down. Here is showing a smart link. Here you can see a status. This smart link is active. You can click here to copy link. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can paste your smart link. Now you can click on shorten URL button. Yeah, here we go. Here is showing shorten URL. You can click here to copy this shorten URL. Now you can go on this website. Here you can see latest listings. Lots of people are advertising their products and services with this platform. You can use this platform to get lots of users. Here you can see latest articles. You can create account on this platform and then you can click on post a free ad button. It will then take you to this page. You can upload your image. You can type your category. You can type your title. You can type your description. Guys, this item is for free. Now you can select your location. At last, you can click on submit button. I'm going to fill all of this information. I'm going to upload your image. You can upload your image. You can select your category. You can type your entertainment. You can select any category. Now you can type your title. You can type your description. Guys, you can type your best title and best description. You can select here this option. Now you can paste your website URL. You can paste your smart link. You can go on this website. Guys, I have shortened a smart link using this website. Here is showing shorten URL. You can copy this shorten URL. Now you can paste here. You can scroll down. You can select your location. You can select any of this location. You can select your city. Now you can scroll down. You can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. My listing has submitted successfully. Here you can see this listing is in pending. You need to wait for approval. After getting approval, your post will go live on this website. Here you can see your image. Here you can see title. Here you can see description. And here you can see website URL. When any user will click on this URL, then Adsterra network may credit your account. Guys, this website's name is auclassifieds.com.au. This website gets visits from Australia country. You can get lots of users from Australia country. Guys, you can also share your smart link on social media posts. Works great with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and more. You can also create a website. You can monetize your website with Adsterra network. You can simply click here to add your website. Using this method, you can get some interesting results. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.